My children, this is my garden. And we're going to talk about what is alike and what is different, and how to use your eyes and think about it in science. So come this way. We're going to talk about alike and different. We're going to pick vegetables. And here we are. This is our first vegetable patch. And you'll notice that all the ones have these big star-shaped yellow flowers, including those over there. And yet, when we look more carefully, there's different shapes under there. They're not the same. So this is the first one that we're going to pick. This is called an acorn squash. And it has a hard outside. And this one over here, we're going to pick second. And we're going to see that this still has this yellow flower, and the leaves look like those over there. Look at how this is different. Okay, this is going to be soft. This, you eat the peel on this one, you don't eat the peel on this one. But they're kind of the same shape. Now, these guys are different squashes. Both squash, both whitish. This one is not usually round. It decided to look like this one. In nature, there's something called mimicry. And when we raise butterflies next spring, we'll talk about mimicry again. It's copying. This guy copied this one. This guy is a patty pan. This guy is called an acorn. Very different. Taste different, look different, different. Okay, let's go over here. Should we walk around this way?
Yeah.
Okay. Gotta be careful. There's some babies. Oh, why don't we look at this one right here while we're here? This is a totally different one. It's also white. And there's two different. They like to be next to each other. Okay, we're going to walk over here, past these babies, noticing the flowers, and that the leaves look kind of the same. Here we go. Down the river. Okay, here we are with some different kinds. We have one with stripes. Do you remember what these leaves were called? These are squash leaves. Okay. Big. And it's green and white. What do you think? Look at that. Okay. Do you think this is a squash? Look at this one. Do you recognize that? What's that? What's that? Let's look for its little top here. I found it. There. Oh my, this is really heavy. Oh my. Wow. These little plants came to live next to each other. Not with any plan for me. They are looking alike. Green and white, zigzags, end stripes. They're both very heavy. They're about the same size. This one has some extra curves. This one is the squash. They're the yellow flowers. This one is a watermelon. Okay, here's another one. This is a baby. It's still going. But do you see how it has imitated, it has copied this squash's shape? Who ever heard of a watermelon looking like that? So they look alike, and they look different, and they certainly taste different. One other thing, this is a plant here, this one that's about the same color. This is a native plant. That means it grows in the desert. You just water and it comes up. And it came up with the watermelon, hoping I wouldn't notice that it was a weed. So it's hiding there, pretending it's a watermelon. And animals and plants do that. They copy each other, they hide, they protect themselves that way, and they're all different. So it's okay if you copy somebody. If you want to wear your friend's same shirt, that's okay. Okay.